I have come to realize that making money on the internet is one of the hardest jobs so far. But you will not understand. You will not understand because when you see people make money on the social media, you will think that it's easy. It is not easy. Any kind of business you are doing on the internet, to make money with it is not easy. But the money will be big when you have finally made it. Many people will think that you just start that day. No, you didn't start that day. You started a long time ago. But if you are making money on the digital space and you just start a day and you start making money, I want you to tell me on the comment section the kind of business you are doing on the digital space that you started a day and you started making money from it. I want to learn from you. And when I learn, I will teach others. So that is what I want to learn. Because when you see people from the digital space who have made it really, when you start it, a lot of people started it and they gave up. Do you know that if there is 2 million pages on social media today, more than 100 million started, they could not actualize it. They dropped on the road. That's because they could not do it, because it's not easy. Nothing good comes easy. So if you are somebody who is a content creator and you are just starting, don't just give up. It is not easy. It is not. Anybody who tells you it's easy doesn't want you to succeed. That is why I'm telling you here now, right here now, that it's not easy. You must have it at the back of your mind here, at the back of your mind, that to be a good content creator, or to be a content creator, or to be an achiever in social media and the world of internet is not a day job. It's not what you start today, you make it today. When you start seeing 20 views, 10 views. You might have 100 views or 200 views. You will see 2 or 3 followers who follow you. You will say, is this what I'm going to do? That is what you are going to do. It's what others have done. Unless you are not ready for the journey. If you are not ready for the journey, don't even venture at all. Because you weak your spirit, you weak the spirit of people around you. So you don't need to get weak spirit when you want to be a content creator. Your spirit must be high always. You must be researching. You must be watching other people's video to learn from them in order to post. You must be posting your own. Because if you don't post, your page will be dormant. So that is the truth. So it is you who will make your page to go far. If you don't do it, nobody is coming to do it for you. Forget about promoting your page. Organic followers is one of the best ways to get followers. And if you could not get these organic followers, it's just because you are not working. If you are working every day, you post 3 videos. Every day you post 3 videos. You are not getting views. Don't mind all those things. The day the views will start coming, the day your video goes viral, the views will start coming. It might take you 1 year, it might take you 2 years, it might take you 6 months. But there's no page you will be consistent posting 3 videos every day, 3 educative content every blessed day that will not go viral. It must surely go viral. From the day you start, the 8 months, it must surely go viral. Your video will go far. So don't mind what people will say. Don't mind what people will talk. They will be talking at the beginning, but when they see that you have started making it, they would like to come to you for you to teach them. So that is why you need to be consistent in posting. Don't fear about the views. Don't fear about the likes. They will come. And don't put money first in your mind. If you put money first in your mind, you will not get the money. Because you will tire out along the road. A lot of people have tired out because they believe that once they come, they'll start making the money. It's not like that. Everybody would have been a content creator. So that is the message. Thank you, and don't forget to share this video.